countries outside of the US, pwede pero for an additional charge. Parang may per minute charge siya. But yun, uh, you can put in your client's credit card information so that if your client needs to call you international outside of the US, or if your client needs you to call probably in Europe, yung mga ganyan, it will be charged on their card. So, ganun. So, he's the best talaga. Seamless. And then, ang maganda kasi sa kanya, meron siyang desktop app that you can install in your laptop. At meron din siyang phone app that you can use in your Android or your iOS devices. And it's just the best. Bihirang-bihira lang mag-log. Ang ganda ng customer service. May mga newsletter updates pa sila sa mga bagong features and they keep updating the feature. So, as in, nakagamit na ako ng ilang dialer before, but this is actually top tier, as in talagang cherry on top, ganon.